wait before you skip this, because if you're anything like me, you're tired of feeling puffy and uncomfortable after meals. And I just stumbled upon something that's been a game changer for me, the gelatin trick. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's worth trying. The gelatin trick is all about using gelatin to help soothe and calm our digestive system, which can get out of whack and lead to bloating and inflammation. Researchers say that gelatin can actually help heal and seal the lining of our gut, which is amazing. My friend started doing the gelatin trick a few weeks ago, and she noticed a huge difference. She wakes up feeling lighter, without that heavy, bloated feeling that used to plague her. The gelatin trick is so simple, yet it's made a big impact on her daily life, and I'm excited to start trying it out for myself. If you're curious about the gelatin trick, I've got a link to a detailed explanation in the description below, and be sure to check out the pinned comment for some helpful tips to get you started with the gelatin trick. Dive into the world of gelatin trick and see how it can help you too.